Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our IP class. In previous class, we have discussed about plagiarism. That means we are simply copying and paste others' information, which is violation of their rights. In today's class, we are going to discuss about software licensing and copywriting. Guys, you all heard the term the licensing and copywriting. What is a software license? It is a document that provides legally binding guidelines to the person who holds it for the use and distribution of software. That means software license is a document. It will allow the person who holds it to use and to distribute also. So we are acquiring a license means we are acquiring a software license means we can use that software as well as we can distribute that software. So by using software licensing, it provides and users with the right to make one or more copies of the software. We cannot violate copywriting, but we can create one or more copies of the software and we can distribute it. Then there will be a licensing agreement in which licensing agreement both of the parties, that means the agency which are giving software and the end users must must agree the license agreement. So there are some restrictions too. If we are purchasing one software, we can send it, we can use it, we can distribute it, but there may be some restrictions too in this agreement. Software licensing terms and conditions usually include fair use of the software. By using this licensing, we will use that software only for good purpose. And there will be some limitations like liabilities, warranties, and disclaimers and protection. That means there may be some financial liability. If we want to purchase some software, we have some liability financially and some warranties issues all. So software license is a nothing but it allow the users to hold and distribute the software. Then what are the benefits of using licensed software? That means using unlicensed software is against our law. Then the right software license can save our money. We can receive around the clock license support. So we will get support from the software, and if you are using unlicensed software, it is against law, then it will save our money. Then next is software copyright. We now discussed about software licensing. That means we are purchasing a software and we will get a license in which it allows to use and distribute the software. Software copyright. What is copyright? It will be used by software developers or software companies like Wipro, IBM, all are using. Then proprietary software companies to prevent the unauthorized copying of their software. So there are some softwares used in IBM, all companies, there are some softwares are used. So these companies acquire software copyright for what purpose? To prevent the unauthorized copying of their software. So there are two types of software. They are free and open source software and pirated software. So free and open source licenses also rely on copyright law to enforce their terms. That means copyright means if we are working in a software company, that companies have some policies. That means it will prevent the unauthorized copying of their software. Then our reason for copyright our software is our work is an asset for our company. So if we distributed that work to another company, some losses will be for that company. Then protect our rights. Then it protects our software structures. We are using some structures of software, it protects software code sequencing and organization. It enhances protection against license agreement. So in license agreement there are some norms, it will allow to distribute the software, some norms are there. So it enhances Protection against license agreement. Each software have its own license agreement. So if you are working in a company, then the company have to protect its software. For this purpose, copyright is needed. We already heard the term of software. That means copyright. That means copyright, for example, a film, if suppose a new film release, it will have some copyrights, so nobody is allowed to take that film songs or films events again in another films. That means if we are releasing a new film, there will be some copyright information will be there, so nobody in other films cannot use these songs again, then the scenes again, like that. Then in our textbook also there will be some copyright information, so it will not allow to recreate our textbooks again with another name. So these are about copyright. Then what is the difference between licensing and copyright? Before that, you all familiar with licensing. That means if we purchased a new laptop and there will be some copyright or licensing information of Windows, there will be there. Then after acts, there will be a licensing agreement too. After accepting only these Windows will work. So there may be some licensing features. So there will maybe like this message, thank you for choosing Microsoft. Uh, Depending on how you obtained Windows, you can use this product, or you can like that. So it will allow the corresponding Microsoft software to the corresponding laptop. If we purchase a Microsoft software in our laptop, then the corresponding Windows software is allowed to corresponding laptop only. So there may be some agreement at the time of installation. I think these all agreements will be there and we will accept it. Then we can use that software, which is licensing. Then what is copyright? We already told copyright is a protection mechanism. License. So, what is the difference between licensing and copyright? Licensing allows distribution and usage of software, but copyright control it. By using copyright policy, it can control it. Copyright is usually used in organization. So, copyright is a type of intellectual property protection. We already studied what is intellectual property. Property of that organization or property of that people who created it. So copyright is a type of intellectual property protection, and licensing is a kind of risk control measure that can be applied to control copyright loss exposure. So that means so the licensor can grant permission that usually takes the form of licensing agreement to use its copyrighted material. That means suppose I wrote a book, so full copyright of that book will be with me, but I will give that book to corresponding publications, like suppose social publication. Suppose some publication is there which name is social publication, and I gave the licensing to that publication, so they can use it and distribute it. So I will get a financial benefit by giving licensing to them. Then I can use, then they can use that book and they can sell it. So if I wrote a book, I have the copyright with me. So I can give it to other publication. They can sell my book. They can achieve some financial benefit from this. But me and them have an agreement. I am the copyright owner. I and them have an agreement. This agreement specifies that the exact material to be used. That means in my book there will be my name as author, and if they added some contents, what happened, my book's fame is low sometimes, or my book's quality will lose, like that. So in this agreement there will be some condition. That means they must have to use the exact material, then purposes the work would be used for, and the duration of the license. That means this license have sometimes there will be some duration, like volume 1, volume like edition 1, edition 2, like that. So for edition 1 they can print 1,000 copies and they can distribute. They will get my license and they can distribute. Then after next 1,000 copy they have to acquire again some, renew my contract with them. So by allowing licensing, a real owner can give permission to others to use and circulate. By allowing licensing, so copyright is the condition in which our intellectual property protection is takes place in copyright. That means we are specifying some condition. They cannot redistribute, or they cannot not redistribute, they cannot edit, or they cannot change. So they have to mention my name, like that. Some agreement will be there in copyright. So copyright is a type of intellectual property protection, and licensing is a kind of risk control measure. For both of them there will be risk. That means if there will be a license, they can circulate it. Otherwise I can give some complaints and I can get access from that book's ownership to me, like that. So there will be, it is a risk control mechanism is licensing. So these are the difference between licensing and copywriting. So what is licensing? Licensing means legal right to run or privilege given to you by a company to access their application. That means a company is giving a legal right to access and to distribute that property or software. Like in our we are using Windows in our laptop, there will be some agreement will be there. This is known as licensing. After accepting this, we can run that software. We cannot use that Windows in another laptop. So if you purchased a Microsoft Windows, then it will be used in corresponding laptop only. Then what is copyright? Copyright is a risk control mechanisms. That means by using copyright, we can achieve intellectual property protection. So the copyright owner can grant permission, that usually in the form of a in the type of an agreement in which some terms are specified. So the person who got license cannot violate that terms. So that is copyright. Then in software licenses there are mainly two types of licenses are there. They are proprietary licenses and free and open source licenses. Proprietary and free and open source. As the name implies, what is proprietary? Proprietary, grant use but not ownership. So by using proprietary software, they can access our software but we will not give ownership. But free and open source licenses means grant use and redistribution. They can redistribute it. So two types of classification for software license. They are proprietary licenses and free and open source licenses. By using proprietary licenses, they can grant use but not ownership. But free and open source license allows grant use and redistribution. This free and open source license again classified into two types. They are copyleft licenses and permissive licenses. Copyleft licenses means it preserves freedom and subsequent users get same rights. That means if I am distributing my software to another user, then he can get the same rights according to me. Then permissive licenses mean freedom to use and redistribute. So these are the classification. So let's wind up the class for now. Today we learned about licensing and copyright. So thank you for listening me. Have a nice day.